أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان. والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان؟ صدق الله العظيم.
Surah Ar-Rahman, verses 1 to 13. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. The most gracious, it is He who has taught the Quran. He has created man. He has taught him an intelligent speech. The sun and the moon follow courses exactly computed, and the herbs and the trees, both alike, bow in adoration. And the firmament has He raised high, and He has set up the balance of justice, in order that ye may not transgress due balance. So establish weight with justice, and fall not short in the balance. It is He who has spread out the earth for His creatures. Therein is fruit and date, palms producing spathes enclosing dates. Also corn with its leaves and stalk for fodder, and sweet-smelling plants. Then which of the favors of your Lord will ye deny?